Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this video. So I just made another album, and this is probably the third album I've made with this paper. I just love this paper. This is the Cartabella paper Transatlantic, and I've used a few other papers as well, plus some other elements. But I really like how the paper looks, and I think it's because there's not a lot of craziness going on. There's stripes, there's some words and a map. It all fits very nice. So to get started, this is a style like a folio, just like a couple of my other albums. And I've used this word paper to kind of frame in this acetate pocket here, which I have the map in behind. What's really great about acetate pockets is you could close them up and make them into a bit of a shaker element. But the other thing is you can put a lot of stuff in there and you will be able to see the stuff through and still see some of the maps. So if you had smaller pictures, you could put them in there. It's a really different way to have a really kind of a neat pocket. And to keep this fairly simple and to help this map stand out, I've used these stripes, and I have just a few little embellishments there. As I open this up, I've got a lot of the map showing, which I really love the map. And I've got a few little elements here with the words and the cute little pocket sticker and a few of these like Polaroid shots. Plus I have a few mats in here. I thought this paper went really nice with this collection. And I've got a couple pockets up here. So in here I have this wonderful pullout, again using elements from the paper line and a few others. And once you open it up, I've got this little pocket here, again with the domino paper in there, some plain straight paper. You could put a photo here, you could even journal down there, and keeping it plain on the back so that you can put basically whatever you want. So as I go into the inside here, this is closed by magnets, and I love that. So there's nothing bulky or extra in here. I've done the same type of look as I had on the other albums where I had the words and the maps here and the sewing, and I just love how that looks. But I had a different closure. This time I have the magnetic closure, and I really love that. So once this opens up, we have some script up here, a nice simple area to put a photograph, which will really kind of highlight that. And then of course on the bottom here I've got the same as the top here with the script and the stripes. So if I close that up, I have this really neat flippy element here. I've kind of boxed it in with the papers and done some sewing, just add a little bit more embellishment. I've got another one of these Polaroids. This is also magnetic closed, and I love these closures because again, you don't see them. They look very nice, and it doesn't really change much of your design. So going up here, I have more of the map and this little belly band style there, holding these two little mats, and I like that because again it just adds a little bit more decoration with the map up there. Going in, I've got a bit of a waterfall here, and again you can put pictures and journaling on one or both sides, and then I've got a little pocket for anything else that needs to be tucked away in there, and that just closes up like that. Really like that. And I just love how this paper all worked together. Even the domino paper that really was not part of the collection, I really liked integrating in this just to kind of change it up from the other albums that I'd made with the same paper line. And I just love all of these little pullouts like that. They're really great. I could have done some stamping up here, but I didn't want to add too much because there was already words here and words here. So I kept some of it pretty simple in here. But I really like how that looks with photos. This is going to look amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this little album look through. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.